Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies spread. To achieve that perfect, chewy cookie, understanding a few key factors is essential. We'll explore how the temperature of your butter, the type of sugar you use, and even your leavening agents all play a crucial role. By making small adjustments, you can transform your cookies from thick and cakey to wonderfully thin and crisp, spreading just the right amount across your baking sheet. Let's dive into the science behind a beautifully spread cookie. The temperature of your butter is a game changer for cookie spread. Using softened, room temperature butter, around 67 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for proper creaming with sugar. This process incorporates tiny air pockets which expand during baking, encouraging spread. Granulated sugar contributes to crispness, while brown sugar, with its molasses content, adds moisture and promotes a chewier, more spread-out cookie. A combination often yields the best results, balancing both texture and spread beautifully. Leavening agents are critical for cookie structure and spread. Baking soda, when combined with an acidic ingredient like brown sugar or buttermilk, helps cookies spread more by creating carbon dioxide gas. Baking powder, on the other hand, provides an initial lift, often leading to a thicker, puffier cookie with less spread. Additionally, the amount and type of flour matter. Reducing flour by 1/4 cup, or using a lower protein flour, can significantly enhance your cookie's ability to spread out nicely. Beyond ingredients, your baking technique can greatly influence cookie spread. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes helps solidify the butter, preventing excessive spread too early in the oven. A slightly lower oven temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, allows the butter to melt gradually, giving the cookies more time to spread before setting. For an extra boost, gently flatten your dough balls before baking. This small step can encourage a wider, more even spread, resulting in perfectly thin and delicious cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.